Struggling with acidity? We've all been there. That burning sensation, the discomfort. It's no fun. But guess what? You can tackle this right from the comfort of your home with simple, effective remedies. Today, we'll walk you through step by step on how to use natural ingredients to ease your acidity. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The baking soda solution. First up, a classic and reliable remedy. Baking soda. Take a glass of water. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water. Stir it well until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Drink this solution slowly. You should start feeling relief within a few minutes. According to a study from Harvard Health, this method is a quick way to manage acute acidity. Why it works? Baking soda is alkaline, which can help neutralize stomach acid. How to use? Use this remedy as a standalone when you need quick relief from acute acidity. It's a fast-acting solution. Ginger honey tea. Next, let's make some ginger honey tea. Boil a cup of water. While the water is boiling, take a small piece of fresh ginger and grate it. Add the grated ginger to the boiling water. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Add a teaspoon of honey to the tea for added soothing benefits. Drink this tea slowly. Research by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health highlights ginger's effectiveness in soothing digestive issues. Why it works? Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce stomach acid, while honey soothes the throat and stomach. How to use? Drink this tea 1 to 2 times a day to help manage acidity, particularly after meals. Chew basil leaves. Take a few fresh basil leaves. Wash them thoroughly. Chew the leaves thoroughly before swallowing. This remedy can provide almost instant relief. According to Ayurveda, basil leaves can naturally balance the body's pH levels and reduce acidity. Why it works? Basil leaves have carminative properties that help reduce acid levels and soothe the stomach. How to use? Chew a few leaves as needed, especially when you feel acidity coming on. It's a quick, natural remedy. Licorice root tea. Boil a cup of water. Add a teaspoon of dried licorice root to the boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Drink this tea slowly. According to a review in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, licorice root is effective in treating symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Why it works? Licorice root soothes the stomach lining and reduces acid reflux. How to use? Drink this tea once or twice daily. It's particularly helpful for chronic acid reflux sufferers. Chew fennel seeds. Fennel seeds can help improve digestion and reduce acidity. Take a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Chew them thoroughly after meals. This can help you digest food better and keep acidity at bay. Research from the University of Maryland Medical Center supports the use of fennel seeds for digestive issues. Why it works? Fennel seeds improve digestion and can help prevent acidity. How to use? Chew these after meals to aid digestion and prevent acid buildup. Aloe vera juice. Take half a cup of aloe vera juice. Drink it before meals. Studies from the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine show that aloe vera juice is effective in treating GERD and other digestive issues. Why it works? Aloe vera juice soothes and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. How to use? Drink half a cup before meals to help prevent acid reflux. Important notes. Do not mix. These remedies are effective individually and are not meant to be combined in one go. Combining them could lead to unexpected side effects or reduce their efficacy. Consistency is key. For chronic issues, choose 1 or 2 remedies that work best for you and use them consistently. Consult a doctor. If you have ongoing or severe acidity issues, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below on which remedy worked best for you. Your feedback helps us bring more valuable content to you.